I wanted to do a quick video on medium chain triglycerides, specifically the different types of fatty acids, so you could see the different functions of each one. Now, medium chain triglycerides are types of fats that don't need help from your gallbladder. They can be turned into ketones pretty fast. They can be extracted from coconut oil or palm oil. And it's really good for people starting out in ketosis because it will help you reduce your appetite if you're not 100% in ketosis. And a lot of people who need more mental cognitive function, like let's say they're a student or they're writing a book, they take it to increase brain energy, as well as athletes take it as well. It will decrease cravings to carbs. If your brain is damaged or your heart is damaged, whether you have Parkinson's or Alzheimer's or dementia, or you have any type of heart problems, so this fat can bypass the damaged pathways and get fuel into the cells a lot more efficiently. And the cool thing is that this fat does not get stored as fat. It's used as energy. So let's start with C6, Caproic Acid. It turns into ketones pretty fast. So the big problem with this fat is there's just not enough of it to extract from coconut oil. But then you have C8, Caprylic Acid. This is the one that people take for quick, stable mental energy, clarity. It's also a good antibacterial for strep and staph. Then we get C10, Caproic Acid. This is a very powerful antifungal fat, very good for Candida albicans. Just make sure that if you have Candida, you also must keep your carbs very low. And I'm talking maybe 5% of all of your calories, and maybe 10 grams carbs per day. Then we get to C12. This is lauric acid. This really makes up about 48 to 49% of the coconut oil. Lauric acid is in coconut oil and it's also in breast milk. It's one of the most powerful antibacterial natural compounds out there. It turns into something called monolaurin, which is really good for your immune system. It's antiviral. It's good for measles, herpes, which is a virus, staph, and even E. coli. So I just wanted to create this short video to increase your awareness on the different types and what they do. Most people take these two together. So if you wanted to try this, always start out with a small amount because it can create some digestive problems. I would take maybe a half of a teaspoon and then a full teaspoon. And then after a couple days, you can take a tablespoon and it should be fine. All right, thanks for watching. So if you want more knowledge on how to create a healthy body, subscribe now and get daily notifications.